Today I'm going to be reviewing Lennoos 40 Cloud Soft Comfort Soles for women. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Why women? Well, they actually make them for men, but I had my wife try these and she really liked them. So let me explain what happened with her. And I've had some like this too and how I feel about them. First of all, this does have the shock absorbing heel pad and these pressure points on the pad itself. Now, I found these and my wife found these great for walking around, like really comfortable for walking around. And what's nice, if they don't fit your shoe, you can actually cut it to make sure it fits perfectly. Now, what we didn't like it for was running. I did not like it for running at all, but I've also had other ones and talked to other people where that's the same situation with some of these soles where they're very comfortable for just walking around at work or whatever you're doing. But then when it came down to running, it became uncomfortable. So that was my experience. These do get 4.1 stars. I normally like to see 4.4. Going through the reviews, you know, it's hit or miss with people on this. A lot of people love it. Some people don't. Still, 4.1 isn't bad. I like 4.4 more, but it does have over 1,300 reviews. So I think, you know, if you're looking for something, give this a try. Last month, 900 plus of these were sold, and I'm not showing that they're getting returned a lot. So that's a good sign. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.